Hi everyone, I'm gonna be showing you today what I bought from Eden Center. So I went to Bath and Body Works and also H&M for some stuff. Okay, let's start with the H&M because I didn't buy a lot of things from there, so I'll be fast. So first thing and the biggest thing that I bought is this rug. It's this big. Oh my god. It's not super big. So I think I'm gonna put this in the bedroom actually. It looks like this. Super cute. It's on sale too, that's why I bought it, to be honest. So it's $79.99 and now I got it for like $15, which is not bad because it's really nice. It's so cute. And it's not too heavy. Next thing is this one. I got pants, wide leg pants. I haven't tried this. I feel like it won't fit me. Is it just me? Alam ba yung naggaganto? Oh my god, I don't think it fits. Hopefully it fits. Like the material is pretty stretchy. I feel like this one will be comfortable for work. It just looks like that. This one I got it for $15, which is not bad. Where's the camera? And then you just got 2 pockets here and then like, oh, there's no pocket here. I guess there's a small one. The next one, and the last one, is this. What is it called? Loose mom jeans. I got it in a size 6. The other one, I forgot to tell you, but I got it in a size 4, which I don't think I'm a size 4. I think I'm a size 6, but I don't know. We'll see. This one is not stretchy at all. It's like this, like black, slightly washed denim pants. It's kind of cupped at the bottom, and then you got 2 pockets are different as well. So that's it for H&M. Let's go to the next one. So inside the Bath and Body Works bag, I bought some stuff from Uniqlo also for work. And I just put it here because it's a big bag. Look at this colors. Oh my god, it's so nice. Hold on. Look at that. It's so nice. I love it. And they're all on sale. So this is the first one. This is it's just a regular crew neck, and I got it for $7.40 from $14.90, which is like half, I think. And it just like fits me. It's just right. It's not like loose or anything. It's nice. I think I'm gonna be able to use this, especially summer is coming. I'll use it as my undershirt for work. The next one is this one. Oh wait, let me show you this one first. Oh my god. It's the same one as the other one, it's just a different color. It's like a darker color. There. So cute. It's the same size. I got a medium, by the way. It's a medium and it's the same price, same everything, just a different color. I love it. It's so nice. The next one, it's kind of see-through. Can you see that? So I got the shirt. It's $7.90. So I got 2 of those. It's the same thing, same size. Oh, this one I got it in a size small. And then this is the last one that I got. It's a long sleeve. To be honest, it looks kind of like a pajama shirt. You know what I mean? But it's nice. Like the fabric is really nice. Yeah, this one is $7.90 as well. And I got it in a size small also. Alright, that's it for Uniqlo. So everything else is from Bath and Body Works, just because they do have a big sale right now. They are 65% off. So the first thing that I got from them is this aromatherapy stress relief. Oh my god, it's a... I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I just realized that it's a body wash. Oh my god, I thought it was a lotion. Oh my thought it was a lotion. That's why I got it like a big size too. Yeah, it's $4.37. Holy shit, it's really good. From $17.50. It's 296 ml. So the next one is this. So this one is a foam bath. It's the same thing. I feel, yeah, it's the same thing literally. It's $3.87 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know which one's which. It's like the same thing. But yeah, it's either one of those. And then I got a lot of hand soap. Like a lot. Hold on. I don't think I can fit it in my hand. Oh my god. Okay. I don't think I can hold everything. I'm just gonna show you what variant, is that how you call it? What variant I got. So the first one is this. This is the one that I really like, eucalyptus mint. It's super relaxing. Can you smell it? So nice. I think I got 4 of these, and then I got 3 of these. If I'm not mistaken, it's called the flannel. And it smells like a guy. I don't know, it smells like a guy cologne or something. And then I got this one. This one we always buy this. Watermelon lemonade. Yep, it's fruity. It's a nice smell. This is the last one that I got. It's a raspberry tangerine. It smells fruity as well. I personally like these ones more, like this one. I really love this. I basically got like 12 pieces of hand soap just because they are on sale. They're only like $2. Yeah, because usually the deal for these guys are 5 for $25, which is like $5 each. So that's not bad, $2. So I only paid like $24 for the 12. And then the last 2 items that I got are candles. The first one that I got is this. It's called the eucalyptus snowfall, and it smells literally like this. That's how it looks like. Pretty basic, but I like the packaging though. This one's like so nice. And it's the last one too. It smells so good. They said that this one is a really good deal because usually it's super expensive. Like, oh my god, it's $25 each regular price, and then I got it for like $6.49, which is not bad. The second one that I got is this. This is usually a staple whenever we get the hand soap, but unfortunately the hand soap for this one is not on sale. Yeah, it's not on clearance, but it's okay. Like, I think we have one here. This one smells so good too. So yeah, that's it. That's all that I got from today. Oh wait, also I got this. Let me show you. I bought some stuff from Amazon, but they didn't come yet. This is the first one that came. It's a dresser. No, it's not a dresser. It's a drawer that I'm gonna put in the closet just because I don't think I have space for a dresser here. So yeah, that is it for today's haul. Wait, no, not yet. I'm probably gonna put clips when the other stuff arrives. Like, I ordered some stuff from IKEA. I ordered a bunch of stuff from IKEA and I ordered some stuff from Amazon. I'll insert it here. Okay, bye. Hello, I just got home from work. Hi, mommy. And my packages came from IKEA. I'm gonna open it in a bit. Unboxing. Yung sa Amazon pala to. Ito yung isa sa mga in-order ko sa Amazon. Yung throw pillow insert na 17 inch. This is how it looks like. Tapos 2 pieces. Ay, ito yung yung light. Hindi ka. This is the lamp that I got. Let's take a picture. Grabe yung pagkaka-cover. Wow, ang ganda. Saan pala siya? Sa picture parang pink eh, no? Ang palit. Ang ganda. Bagay siya. Look. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang laki!
Ganda, ang laki.
Grabe. So
Double
cute.
check natin
Bagay
sa
siya sa
mamaya.
sa decor. Mood lang, no? Wait. Mura lang to. Magkano nga bilhin natin dito? Trainer. Wow! Yan. Ayan, lagay na natin sa base. Tingnan. Itsura. Kasha naman. Sakto. Eh, sinukat ko yan eh. Excuse the mess. Hindi pa yan yung hindi pa yan yung style niya. Diyan lang na. Yung light. LED light.
LED light
Yung lamp. Nice. Kasi yan, kumuha kami ng dalawang folding chair. In case mayroon kaming bisita. Mayroon kaming papaupo. Wow. Cute siya, no? Ah, in fairness.
Diba? Tsaka may sandalan. Kadyan ako.
Bumili din kami nung dinidikit sa ilalim ng ayan. Para hindi magagusgasan yung floor. Ay, busy na si maming mag-ayos ng plants niya. Dito ko lang siya nilagay sa ilalim ng dinikit lang siyang ganyan. Kita ba? Ayan. Para hindi siya gumagasgas. Although, hindi naman nakakagasgas yung ilalim niya. It's nice to have. But... Oh my God. Ay, ang cute to. Ang laki pala. No? Parang hindi sa picture. Ang bigat mo ng ano, yung base. Sabag ko sa ito. Ayan. Dito natin na lang sa couch. Ay, ang galing! Lumabas na yung... Kita mo. Lumabas na yung ano. Hindi na siya flat. May kasama naman siyang instruction. Tapos ito yung required niya. Mayroon naman silang suggested na bulb. Tapos ito yung sinuggest na bulb. Ayan yung name. 50. Mahirap siya ilagay. Ano lang naman. Ayan, pumasok na. Paano siya ilalak? Ay, ang warm. Ang warm! Bakit ganun color dilaw? Color dilaw! Ayoko ng dilaw.
Ganun talaga ang mga ano dito. Unless bibili ka ng special na ganyan size.
Titingin na ako sa dollar store, no?
Lagay pa may natin buksan. Ang galing yung mga ganyan eh.
Oo nga, no?
Diba? Same na same.
Oo.
Ano mo natin?
Nice. Wow.
Kailangan hilot-hilutin pa. Para manyan.
Hilutin to. Ganda. Parang totoo nga, ano?
Diba?
Ganda din ang pan. Simple. But elegant.
Dito pwede mo.
Ayan, hindi mo nakita. Ang galing. Smart. Hello! IKEA. Tingnan mo. Ang ganda, oh. Hello ka.
Nice. Very nice.
Okay, bye-bye ka na.
Ano na rin tayo?
Bye. Bye, vlog. Bye, na.
Bye.
Parang